One, me and my project partner Dilip have designed a dashboard for IPL Analysis. IPL, which is a very famous T20 cricket league contested every year in India. This dashboard shows lot of analysis, statistics, and it gives clear insight for sponsors and investors while investing their money. We have done team wise, player wise, and venue wise analysis. This is the India map that shows which state supports which team. You can see the state by hovering onto it. Generally there are 8 teams and each team has color associated to it, so the fandom map is represented with the colors. This pie chart tells percentage of audience likes for each team. Once you hover onto that, you will be able to see the percentage. This bar chart shows how many times that team has won the IPL trophy, and once you hover you'll see the years in which it won the trophy. This scatter plot shows batting average and bowling average, where these are the batters and these are the bowlers and these are the all-rounders. And these bars here represent the number of sixes, fours, wickets, extras hit by each team. Once you hover on the bars, you'll be able to see the values. And this is the auction data displayed for all the teams, which will be helpful while buying team or players. And also each team is associated to one home state. Once you click that home state, you will be able to see the team related details. Not only the home state, the supporting state also will show the details of that team. So once you click back onto the SVG, everything will be reset. Now let's see team wise analysis. The team's home state and the supporting states will be highlighted, and there is a pie chart showing how many times the team has won or lost the match. And these bar charts show how many times that team has won against the other teams. These bar charts show the sixes, fours, wickets, extras hit by that particular team. This is the auction data for that particular team, and this is a grouped bar chart showing how many times the team win or lose based on the toss win or lose. These are the statistics shown. These statistics are displayed for all the teams and each team has a color associated with it. So all the stats are displayed for all the teams, and once you go back to all, you'll be able to see the stats for all the teams.
This page provides us an interface to compare players and do analysis by players. So these are some few, statistics, and these are all the available players here. So this is the parallel coordinate that displays 22 dimensions of each and every player. So once we hover on any line, like we can see the associated player name on the left side of the axis. So these are attributes related to the batting, and these are the attributes related to the bowling. So if a person is having higher values in this particular area, we can tell that he is a batsman. If a person is having higher values in this particular area, he can tell them he is a bowler. If a person is having both values, we can tell that he is an all-rounder. So this is the raw data, and if we click on the cluster data, their lines will be divided in the clusters. We can say that the green lines here are batsmen, and the black lines are bowlers, and maroon lines are all-rounders. So we can just navigate here, and this is a script plot for the PCA that explains the percent variance for each and every component. These are the top 6 attributes that I have computed from the loading matrix. So once we click on any player, we can see that the player details will be displayed here, and the associated line will be highlighted in this graph. And once we hover on any other line, we can see that it provides us an interface to compare two different players. So this provides a quick and easy interface to compare two players. That will be very useful in analysis of the players. So we can see all the player details in here. So if we click on clear, we will go back to the homepage.
This page represents IPL analysis based on venue. Out of the two teams playing the match, stadium will be in the home state of one of the team. The stacked bar chart here represents number of wins by each team when it plays in its home ground versus non-home ground, and you can see that blue is predominant, indicating that the team has more number of wins when it plays in its home ground. The line chart here shows the number of matches played in each team. Once you hover the dots, you'll be able to see the stadium name and the number of matches played in the stadium. The maroon dots here represent that the stadiums where highest number of matches are played. This drop down is used to select the stadium. Once you select the stadium, you will be able to see the details of the stadium and the state where it is located. This pie chart represents the toss decisions that are taken in based on that stadium. Blue represent percentage of choosing batting in the toss, and black is percentage of choosing fielding. This stacked bar chart represents number of wins versus number of losses of each team in particular stadium, and this half donut chart represents average run scores in each stadium. If it is more than 150, it's a batting pitch, and if it is somewhere around 145, it's a neutral pitch, and if it is less than 140, then it's a bowling pitch. Once you click clear, you will be able to go back to the main menu. This is the demo. Thanks for watching.